Hello, everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today, I'm sharing Christmas decorating tips and ideas in my living room. Now, some of you guys may have heard me mention that my decorating style this year will be simple and elegant. And simple because my grandson is here. And then I just feel a sense of peace and calmness when I'm not surrounded by so many things. Now, I began putting my living room together, starting with the tree because it is the main attraction. And I first pulled out decor that I picked up at the end of the season last year. And so this beautiful garland, it's pretty, but I thought the colors were much lighter. So let that be a lesson to look at last year's purchases before you pick out your color scheme. So I thought I was using the color green, but I had to quickly adjust my color palette to complement this beautiful ornament garland. So I absolutely loved flock trees, and I have this 7.5-foot tree that was gifted to me. And sorry, but the only information that I have about the tree is that it came from Target. And since this tree is so beautiful, I didn't want to overpack it with decor. My decorating motto this year is less is best. So I'm going to start with a few ornaments and some ribbon. And so I generally am more strategic with the way I place my decor in my trees. But this year I'm just going to randomly place them because, like I said before, I don't have a lot that I want to actually put in the tree. And so I have these berries, but I'm not sure if they're going to make the cut. And so this other garland is pretty. It's like a mercury glass teardrop, which I had planned on using it on the mantle, but I think I'll put it in another room. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the ribbon first, and I usually start with 3 size ribbons. I have a small, a medium, and then a long piece that I like to use in the body of the tree, and I like to save the shorter pieces for the top and for the bottom. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once I place the ribbon in the tree, and then I will add the ornaments, and then we'll be done with the tree, and I'll start the mantle. So here you see me placing the ribbon, and I started at the top and worked my way to at an angle towards the bottom. And I just work my way around the tree. And here I'm doing a dry fit to see if I like it or if I need to make any adjustments. And once I step back, if I like it, I start putting in the ornaments. And I usually start placing the larger ornaments on the bottom, but really there's no rule because sometimes I place them towards the middle as well. Now here is a cluster of ornaments, and I just take 3 ornaments and place them on a pipe cleaner and then attach the 3 to the tree. Now ornaments like this, I just kind of push them into the tree, and the limbs usually hold on to ornaments that have a little texture to them. And the little delicate ones I place at the top, And so now I'll just place the rest of these on the tree, and then we're done with the tree. Now for the mantle, I'm using garland that I got from Walmart that I've had for quite a while, and to spruce it up, I'm just adding some glittered flocked pieces. Okay, so next I'm taking the miniature ornaments that I shared in a previous haul from Home Goods, and I'm making a garland out of them. So when it came to my coffee table, I wanted to add the vase that I got from Target. I liked it because of the warmth in the color, and I thought it paired well with all of the other warm tones in the room. I added faux evergreen and glittered berries. Now, if you guys know me, you know I love candles, so I thought I would add just a few more candles to the table. So my goal for the room was to keep it clean and uncluttered, and I think that is pretty evident here in the bookcase. So here I'm showing you where I took one of my fall pillows and turned it around to the stripe side to get more bang for my buck. So if you didn't notice, I brought my curtains from the dining room here to the living room. So guys, before you run out and get new items to decorate for Christmas, check around your home and see if there are things that you can bring from other rooms to give your home a fresh look throughout. So everyone, continue watching. I want to show you how everything came together, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Now, if you're here for the first time, I would love it if you would subscribe. I upload videos twice a week, and I have lots of Christmas content to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.